told the perimeter of the parallelogram is 21 meters. What is the length of the missing side? Pause this video, have a go at that. All right, let's just say we knew what the length of this missing side was. Let's call it question mark, the way that they're calling it question mark here. Well, then the perimeter is going to be question mark plus 6, we're assuming everything is in meters, plus this length would also be question mark. This is a parallelogram, so opposite sides have the same length. So plus question mark plus this side over here is going to be 6, plus 6. So that would be the perimeter, and that's all going to be equal to 21. Or another way to think about it is, I have question mark, plus, if I add these two 6's up, plus 12 is going to be equal to 21. So what plus 12 is going to be equal to 21? Well, if we have 9 plus 12, that equals 21. So what we know, did I do that right? 9 plus 12 is going to be equal to 21. So we know that this part over here must be equal to 9. So these two question marks, when I add it up, must be equal to 9. They're the same thing, so they must be each half of 9. So each of those question marks is going to be equal to 9/2 meters, which is also the same thing as 4.5 meters.